In primetime news this evening, contamination concerns as a train transporting aluminum plunges into Rio Cobre. Police on high alert ahead of mass rally in Halfway Tree. And Buff Bay Market officially opens.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Shamela Pullen. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. Details right after the break.